Looking for a solid everyday phone that won't break the bank? The OPPO A5i delivers the essentials with surprising durability, decent performance, and features that make it stand out in the budget category. Design and durability. The OPPO A5i sports a simple yet sturdy build with IP54 dust and splash resistance, added shock protection, and a wet touch precision feature that ensures usability even with wet fingers. Its twice-reinforced glass adds another layer of toughness, making it ideal for users who want a reliable daily driver. Display and multimedia. You get a 6.67-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display with a smooth 90Hz refresh rate and impressive 1000 nits peak brightness, good enough for clear outdoor visibility. The speaker system boasts up to 300% volume output, and yes, it still includes a headphone jack for wired audio fans. Performance and software. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S Gen 1, paired with 4GB of RAM and up to 128GB of storage, expandable to 1TB, the A5i handles daily tasks, browsing, and casual gaming with ease. It runs Android 14 with ColorOS 14.0, offering a modern, user-friendly interface. Cameras. The 8MP rear camera with LED flash and the 5MP front camera both support up to 1080p video recording. While not designed for professional photography, they are more than capable for social media use and video calls. Battery and charging. A standout feature is the 5100 mAh battery with 45W SUPERVOOC fast charging. That means less time plugged in and more time on the go. Security and connectivity. For security, the phone includes both face recognition and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It supports 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C, and OTG. Price and availability. Starting at just 4,699 pesos, the OPPO A5i is officially available beginning June 30, 2025, at 12 midnight. Final thoughts. The OPPO A5i may not be packed with premium specs, but for the price, it offers solid value. It's perfect for students, light users, or anyone looking for a dependable backup phone. If you're after essentials with a few modern touches, this one is worth checking out.